Morning, everything's raining today. I'm just gonna make something really simple. I got this ground beef sirloin, and we're going to I buy it at Brahms. If you don't know Brahms, that's a family-owned store in Texas and Oklahoma, and so I'll put that 1 pound of sirloin in there. Then I'm gonna add just about a tablespoon of garlic. I'll mix that kind of around just to let it set with that meat until I get the and I'll put some salt while I'm doing it. That's to your taste. Oh gosh, and the pepper. Do the pepper. And mix that around. I think it just needs to kind of marinate with that meat for a minute until I get all my garlic off the sides of the bowl. Now let me see. Do I have I've got my little can of tomatoes. Drain them real quick. I buy the, I'll show you in just a second. I buy the petite diced tomatoes. They're the Southwest style, so they've got a little bit of lime juice and cilantro in them. And I'll put that can into my meatloaf, and then I'm going to get this panko breadcrumbs. I use the Italian style or I use the plain style. It really doesn't matter. These are the Italian style. I put about probably about a cup, a little over maybe. Depends on how much meat you're going to work with. And that will let you know how much you're going to need to make this a solid, but yet where it won't fall apart. I used the liquid egg whites in this instead of one egg, so we'll put about probably, I'd say, fourth a cup of those, about a fourth a cup of those egg whites. Now, I'll start mixing this to see what needs to be done. Sometimes the tomatoes, even though I drain them, when they're in the canning process, they take on more water, and it depends on per can, so you never know. That's going to need more water, or I'll tell you what we'll do. Since I've got I've got these, I love these. I don't buy white crackers anymore. I buy these wheat crackers. They're the same as white crackers. It's just they're wheat crackers. So I'll put about a half sleeve. And then we'll mix and see how that. Okay, that's looking better. Yeah, it's a raining, terrible, storming. Lord, it seems like that's all anybody in the South has had is terrible storms. Well, maybe all over. I don't know. See how your spoon will stick up in that? Then you know it'll probably bake just fine. But if you'll put your crackers or your breadcrumbs down in there and let that just set, it will moisten them, because you don't want to add water. It'll be terrible. So you can just leave it like that. I think that'll be enough crackers and enough breadcrumbs that will be just fine. Let me get a pan and I'll be back. I decided I'm just gonna, not most time, I'll put a little more salt in that just to make sure. Y'all know my relationship with black skillets, iron skillets. Okay, I just got my hands clean. And what I'll do is I'm just going to dip this into my iron skillet. Get it all out of that bowl. And then I will just push this down, try to get it even. Into the skillet. Now if you use your iron skillet, it won't take as long to cook as you do if you have. I've got an iron loaf pan, I've got a regular loaf pan, I've got a Corningware loaf pan, but this I like because it makes smaller, thinner, and it cooks quicker. But Mother, you know, being 92, she don't eat a lot, and if I put a big piece of meatloaf on her plate, she don't care for it too much, so I just kind of make that spreadable there. Get the top smooth down. I didn't put bell peppers in this because you've got your cilantro, you've got your garlic and everything. Even though I like more garlic, I did put it in there. Now I use this tomato ketchup. It's an organic ketchup. And I just take that and I just put that all over the top. I had to let the kitty cats in today because of the rain, so they're visiting. They're visiting today. Granny Pat, my friend that has a YouTube channel, she'd be saying, you got possums in the house today, because sometime we'll be talking at night on a video chat, because she's in Kentucky and I'm in Texoma area, which is Texas and Oklahoma area, and I'll tell her there's a possum looking in the glass door, so we laugh about it. Sometimes there's a raccoon looking in the glass door. Mainly a possum though. 2 or 3 possums. That's just what you get when you live in the rural areas of the world. Okay, there's the meatloaf to go into our oven. And we'll check back when it gets done. Let's take our meatloaf out and see the oven and see how it did. Looks pretty good, don't it? It gets kind of brown around the edges, black and brown. So that's a good meatloaf. Now I'm going to start doing videos shorter, and I'm going to do some mashed potatoes to go with this, and I'll make another video highlighting the mashed potatoes, and then if I make a cake I'll do another video highlighting that. I hate to run all these videos together, so today we're just gonna, right now we're just gonna have our meatloaf, and I'll put a picture after I serve it on the plate with whatever I decide. I wish y'all were here to eat with us. Thanks for watching.